Hey guys, geeking to everyone. On this video, I'm gonna tell you about 1 month Python course, and today is day number 18. So let's start. So first of all, I wanna check my plan, and today is day number 18, and the topic is working with files and directories, exploring the OS SHUTIL modules. Okay, what I'm gonna do is copying this topic and go to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to provide the information for this topic. Okay, I remove this and I add with examples. Okay, so we are waiting for a reply from ChatGPT. Okay, here we go. ChatGPT finished providing information. So working with files and directories is a common task in programming, that's true. And the OS and SHUTIL modules in Python provide useful functions for exploring and manipulating files and directories. The OS module provides a way to interact with the operating system, while the SHUTIL module offers higher level file operation. Here's overview of the OS and SHUTIL modules along with some examples. The OS module, point number 1. The OS module provides a wide range of functions for interacting with the operating system, including file and directory operations. Here are some commonly used functions. This one, I highlight the text, return the current working directory. This one, change the current working directory to the specified path. This one, returns a list of files and directories in the specified path. This one, creates a new directory at the specified path. This one deletes the file and at the specified path. This one renames a file or directory from the source path to the destination path. This one returns true if the specified path exists. This one returns true if the specified path points to the file. This one returns true if the specified path points to a directory. Here is an example that demonstrates some of these functions. Okay, there is example here. So next module, the SHUTIL module. The SHUTIL module provides high-level file operations and simplifies common file and directory tasks. Here are a few frequently used functions. Okay, highlight the text. This one copies a file from source path to the destination path. Next one, this one, recursively copies a directory from the source path to the destination path. This one moves a file or directory from the source path to the destination path. This one deletes a directory and its contents recursively. Here's an example that demonstrates some of these functions. Okay. These are just a few examples how you can work with files and directories using the OS and SHUTIL modules in Python. These modules offer many more functions and options, so be sure to check the official Python documentation for additional information and examples. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.